Oh, hi. We have one of these Frigidaire Gallery French door refrigerators, and we've had problems with the ice maker in it. The shelving breaks off. It's pretty crappy. And now this guy right here, I'll switch it around. This guy right here gets stuck. I'll show you real quick. Let me get a container here real fast. The paddle down here gets stuck in the open position. It gets stuck in the open position and just keeps dispensing water or ice. So I did some research on this. And realized it's not the easiest thing to fix, because this panel is not easy to get off, and then the part is for the dispenser here is really expensive part, and I don't really want to have to pay $100 some just to get this little plastic piece that isn't broken anymore. So I did some research online and found one of the easiest ways to fix this. So all you have to do is grab a new sponge like this. I'm trying to do this without having to have the paddle pop out. You fold it in half. Make sure it's new, so it's not full of bacteria or whatever from washing dishes. But you're gonna just jam this up here. I know it seems pretty janky, but you're gonna just jam this up here. This has enough pressure on it that it'll hold it in place. But this basically springs this back out. So now you're seeing that it's not coming out anymore, right? So now I can push something up against here now. Push it in, and it dispenses like it always does. But then it pushes it back out again. Normally I'm not one to do a real quick fix like this because I think that's kind of janky, but in this case, taking your whole fridge apart and having to buy a $150 part, it's up to you, but I'm going to stick that sponge up there. I also heard from somebody in another video that you can use one of those stress balls. But basically anything that'll push that lever back out every time, so it's not just dispensing ice and water and making a mess.